I post videos on Tuesdays and Fridays, and sometimes a bonus in between. Please subscribe and click the notification bell. You can slow down the videos by clicking the gear icon below the video. Hey everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this continuous flower border. So let's get started. I'm working with worsted weight yarn and a 5.5mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot. Chain 12. Chain 12. Double crochet in the third stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3. And double crochet in each stitch all the way across the chain. All the way across. Okay, I double crocheted in each stitch all the way across the row. Chain 2 and turn. And that will count as the first double crochet. Double crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. You should have 11 double crochet across the row. All the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row. I have 11 double crochet across the row. Chain 2 and turn. That chain 2 counts as the first double crochet. Double crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. All the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row. Chain 2 and turn. That chain 2 counts as the first stitch. I'm going to make my first flower in the center stitch, so that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'll work in this stitch. So I'm going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, because this chain 2 counts as the first stitch. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, there's my center stitch. So I'm going to make my first flower in this stitch. So double crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. In the space between those two double crochets, make a single crochet. And I'm going to repeat that in the same stitch. So that's 1. So double crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Single crochet in the space between the two double crochet. So that's number 2. 1, 2, 3, single crochet, double crochet, chain 3, single crochet, double, chain 3, single. Okay, I have worked 9 double crochet in this same stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I've taken my hook out of that last stitch. Now bring these all forward like that. And there's the first picot. And you're going to find the stitch before the picot, which is here, and you're going to insert the hook from the front to the back, and then pick up that loop that you dropped off the hook and pull that through, and then tighten that up, and then chain 1. Now move that away, and you can see you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stitches left. You're going to make 1 double crochet in each of those stitches. And 1 double crochet in that last stitch. Now you can just pull these into shape, and there's your first flower. And now we're going to work 1, 2, 3 rows of double crochet, and then another flower. Chain 2, 1, 2, and turn. Double crochet in each stitch all the way across the row, and you should have 11 double crochet when you finish the row. So I'm going to go right to the flower there and show you how to do that. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Like that. I'm going to work 2 more rows of double crochet. So chain 2 and turn, double crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. All the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row, and then I'm going to work 1 more row of double crochet. So between each flower, you're going to have 1, 2, 3 rows of double crochet, and then you'll work your flower in the 4th row, and then 3 rows of double crochet, work your next flower in the 4th. And you just keep repeating that for as many rows as you would like for your border. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. If anyone would like a tutorial on working these wide rows of this flower, please post a comment below.